All right, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at an individual integral. It's going to be a trig integral with just a basic u-substitution here. So we are going to start by letting our u be what's underneath that radical. So we're going to say u is equal to 1 minus cosecant of x. Then we're going to take the derivative of both sides. That'll be a negative because of that negative right there. Taking the derivative negative cosecant x cotangent x, and then dx. If we go ahead and simplify that, we'll just make that a positive. So we'll have a du is equal to that cosecant x cotangent x. And then we do want to go ahead and solve all the way down for our dx. So we'll have a du over that cosecant x cotangent x. All right, at that point, then we're going to come back up, and then we're going to start making our substitutions here. So we'll still have our integral. We'll have that original cosecant x cotangent x sitting out in front. Then we're going to have a square root of a u because we'll make that replacement right there. We will replace the dx with what it equals. So we'll have that du over that cosecant x cotangent x. All right, at that point, what that's going to allow us to do is cross out that cosecant cotangent and get rid of that. That's going to leave us then with an integral just in terms of u. So we'll have the integral of a square root of u du. To make that easier to integrate, then we'll write that as a u to the 1/2 power du. At that point, then, it's a straight integration. So integrating there, adding 1 to that exponent, we'll have a 2/3 in front, u to the 3/2. We can add the plus c because we've integrated. All right, now last step, replace our u with what it equals. And I think at the same time, taking that radical, or taking that exponent, putting it back into radical form. So then we'll have a 2/3. We'll do a square root, replacing u, 1 minus cosecant x, and then that'll be to the 3/3 power, 3/2 there with our plus c. So basically a straightforward u-substitution trig integral typically found in that Calc 1 class. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.